Happy Saturday, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead video. We will not waste any time today. We will get right into the job lead. This one is part-time and temporary. It's one of those things that you can work and make some money while you're looking and putting in applications for those more permanent full-time work from home jobs. At least you will be working and making money. This one is hiring worldwide and it is part-time and flexible schedule. So let's just dive on in. The company ModSquad, and they are a company that a lot of other companies come to. So they kind of like provide outsourced work to other companies. They are hiring a customer support person for tickets and outbound calls for a body scanning technology. Now they say their mods provide a positive attitude, a great vibe, and can assist customers to the right answers, solve their concerns, and are the GPS for the customers to understand and optimize the best use of the client's product or service. Now this project is for customer support, tickets, and assisting with outbound calls in the event that troubleshooting needs to be completed in real time. So this is mostly non-phone work. It is mostly the support tickets, but in an instance where the support tickets and the customer is not understanding the written words and you need to get on the phone with them and help them troubleshoot in real time, you'll have to pick up the phone and make an outbound call to them, but there is no receiving inbound calls. Now this is nights hours. They're looking for all in Pacific time, 3 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday. They don't provide the hourly rate. They say that will be discussed in the interview phase. And of course, it's again part-time and temporary. They're looking for 15 to 20 hours a week for about 3 months. And if you can work 3 a.m. to 1 p.m., they are really interested in people who can work those hours. So they are looking for someone who has a good working knowledge of Windows-based computers, who can be transparent and positive and wants to help resolve customer issues. So someone who has great problem solving skills, who has an excellent telephone demeanor, and available to pick up new software skills quickly. It does require excellent written communication skills since you are doing the ticketing system. Now it says they work with clients all around the world that are high profile, such as the NFL, Venmo, and Tops. It says flexible self-scheduling. So this is one of those, not only are they hiring worldwide, but you can set your own schedule within the hours that they are looking for. It is work from home. It says they do provide a competitive hourly rate and paid orientation. So they will pay you for training. Now they do require you to have your own computer because it is temporary. They do not provide computer equipment for you. As always, comments are welcome below. Let me know anything specific that you are looking for, any education or experience that you have. I always read the comments and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And with that being said, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.